Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Unbox with Anas. Today video we will discuss constructor overloading with the real world example. So before wasting the time, let's start the video. The, the constructor is the process of creating more than one constructor in a same class with different formal argument is known as a constructor overloading. Let me give you some example to understand how it works. So let's see here we have a class of WhatsApp and I'm building some features. Okay. So let's suppose first we're creating the constructor. Okay. The first features which I build are message. Okay. People can do a message. So for that, first for the string message. Okay. Message. Then so also we need a string. Okay. Uh, let second features will like a call. You can call on the WhatsApp, and also we have a video call as well. And that the status features is also there. So let me take the string status. So these are the three fields we required for the WhatsApp app working the features of these four things. So first thing, when first version is came, I want to be only message. All status should be there. So we just need a public. We just create the constructor public, and name of the constructor is same as your class name. So WhatsApp is our class name. WhatsApp. Then inside of this, write the same thing. The string message. Let's say y and double s a message string status status. These are the two things we need to featured first. Inside of this, we have to store the current object reference or current object reference. So this dot what we have a message. So message is equal to message. Then the second one we have this dot status. Okay, is equal to status to store the current object reference. Control Shift plus F to provide the format of your program. So this is the constructor. Now what we need to do, we just need a main method. This is our main method. Inside of main method, we have to create the object. So object WhatsApp w is our object name is equal to new and the constructor of the our class. So what is the constructor? WhatsApp. This is the our constructor. Okay, where we have our two parameters. So let me initialize the. So here you have to write a message like, hey, how are you? Okay, how are you? Sure, you can do message like can message it or message chat or can chat. Chat is something unique. And second one is status. You can show your feeling in the in your status. Okay, these are the two things we need. And let me call. Let me run this program. See what will happen. So run it. Nothing will happen. So let me sys out SY SY sys out W. Okay. Now run this program. See, we will get the okay, we will get the address. Instead of getting the data, we will get the address. So don't worry about. Just we need to w dot call your message. First is message now. Just call message. Then sys out. As for use sys out w dot status. These are the two things we need to print. Okay, so we just call that through the object to store the our current object reference through the constructor. So let's run it. Yeah, you can chat and you can show your feeling in your status. So this features is good now, and I want to deploy this project. So I deploy it, and people use it. But in the some point, the people get not to be to use. Okay, they were not using because the new technology come and new features come in the other project, other app. So what you need to do for your curiosity and the futures, you have to add a call also. Okay, the next one you have to add the call as well so that people can call in the WhatsApp. You remember that when the people don't have this kind of features, so how they are getting trouble. They were using the telephone to call their families who's staying in the other another cities. To solve this problem, so we just need here a constructor, create new constructor. Instead of modify this, you have to create the new constructor. So if the people want to install this features one, they can use it. If they want to use new one, they can use new one as well. So public WhatsApp, and inside of this, don't write all the things. Just copy this. Control C, Control V, and here, see, you will getting error because the same constructor is here. You just change the parameters. So we add the new features, that is a string, uh, a string call. Okay. So now you guys can call on the WhatsApp with your friends, families. This dot call is equal to call. With semicolon. So now it's done. Now what you want to do, you have to call this. Okay. So let me create the one more project, one more object to call this. So just copy this, Control C, Control V, and you have to add one more. Hey, you can call, you can call, call. So this object should be not that same as the W1. Uh, Now, uh, let me Control X here, Control V, sys out, Control sys out. Okay, W1 dot, uh, let's call, we just call the only call because the two things is right here. Let me run it. See, you can chat, you can show your feeling in your status, and hey, you can call also. This is the way the constructor overloading work. So, in the some point after 2020, 2010, I think, so the new features come video call. So what WhatsApp do? WhatsApp just build the new features with the new constructor public, write it. Just Control C, Control V, and just add one more thing that is a video call. Okay, and should be a string here. And also inside of this dot video call is equal to video call. Now what we need to create a one more object. This is the object our W2, and you can write hey, you can on video call. You can do video call, and just here instead of this W2 dot video call. So what we need here now, just run this program and see what will happen. Hey, you can chat. You can show your feeling in your status. Hey, you can call. And this another one is hey, you can do video call as well. So this is the way the constructor overloading work. Let me explain you with the some example from the Chrome. So let's go to the Chrome. See what we need to do. We just search WhatsApp 2010 version. So here the all the versions come. Okay, this is the version of the first one. This is a Android 5.0, and the version is Lollipop. Okay, so in this WhatsApp, you don't have the call features. Let's suppose you don't have the call features and video call features. You just have a chat and status. You can do your status. But in the futures, the second version, you add the one more constructor where you can, let me go to the, you can add the calling as well. Hey guys, you can call on WhatsApp also. So the new version, your WhatsApp can do the call as well. But then the next features that your team suggested to let's do the video call as well. So in the version of new, that also in the Lollipop, the new version will come there just like this. Hey guys, you can on video call as well. This is the way of the constructor overloading working. If anyone asks, you just give the example like that, and they will definitely impress with you. Before you go, let's subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.